What's going on, YouTube? Welcome again to another video. I hope you guys are well and healthy. As you can see, we're supposed to be sheltering at home right now, but you see people are running, jogging and walking around and all that. It is pretty interesting. I don't know how strict they are with that stuff, but they do say on the guidelines that you're allowed to exercise outdoors or do outdoor activities. So that's you know, people are taking that and going with it. As for me, we are, you know, most of us that can afford to work from home are very lucky. I have family and friends that are in the medical you know, field that they have to go in to work every day. They're in the front lines, which is very unfortunate, but it is what needs to be done. You know, they're the ones that are taking care of people. So you know, that's really scary for them, you know, because a lot of those workers get the virus. So but for me, I get to work from home, which is a very lucky thing for me. And some don't even have work at all because of, you know, what's happening right now, because their job can't be work from home. You know, they just have to close. So it's just a shitty very shitty time right now. Besides all that negative shit, like all that crap, it's such a nice day, which is like, which is funny because, you know, I read up on it that most places that were previously polluted are getting better and better over time because of less people around. I just, you know, because you start to think like this is like the Earth's defense mechanism from people, and they're trying to, you know, heal the planet. The planet is trying to heal itself, is what I'm saying, and it's actually doing. It's actually working. But I mean, look at the environment though. Like it's so quiet and peaceful, like without people. It's just getting better and better. The water is so clear and still. There's like no disturbance at all. This video doesn't really have a topic. I just wanted to turn it on and ride around for a couple minutes, share some thoughts. It's, you know, I just hate being cooped up in the house. I just gotta get out. I gotta get out. I wonder when this will end. Because I don't think it's gonna end like all in 1 month and it'll be back to normal. Of course, people will need to gain the trust back of, you know, is everything clean now? Is everything, can you trust everything to be clean or everyone to be virus free? Is what I'm thinking. Like, it's just, you know, people get scared so easily and it lingers. I always think that if you're jogging around and jogging next to other people, that you would be more susceptible to catch the virus because you guys are breathing along, you know, in the same area. But I don't know. I'm not a scientist, not a doctor. But yeah, you know, you're huffing and breathing really hard. The same area where everyone's breathing really hard. So I don't know. I don't think it's airborne. Some reports say it's airborne, but who knows? I don't know. I haven't ridden this bike in so long, so I want to ride it today. I've been riding my GSA, of course, most of the time, driving my car, trying to get that running. I had so much plans to drive and ride with people. Now everything's canceled. Oh, one last thing. I did a knucklehead thing with my car the other day where I backed into the garage and I was too close to the edge of the garage opening, and I scraped my my side mirror film. So it's just a side mirror film. It didn't damage the paint. It scraped it off though, so I had to go back all the way during this lockdown. I had to drive my car all the way to Fremont 40 miles each way to get that thing fixed. And this whole time I was thinking, you know, someone's gonna just stop me and ask me, "Oh, where are you going?" You know, like, but no incidents. You know, no one really cares. There's a lot of cars in the road, so you know, just my stupid mistake cost me to drive 80 miles round trip to get that fixed. But you know, the guys at Auto Pro Detailing in Fremont, they're such nice guys. They take care of my car, so I have no complaints about that. It's just, you know, the hassle of my time, gas, toll, all that. My knucklehead thing. I never scraped my cars on my garage door, but the Ferrari is really wide, you know, compared to my other cars. So I just sometimes you know, you get too careless, and that's what happens. I mean, you can see this, that, like I said, it's a lockdown, but everyone's still out and about driving around. I actually have to do maintenance on this bike. I have to open up the gas tank and clean the Rottweiler air filter, because I haven't done that in a year. So I think I'm gonna make a point of doing that, you know, once a year. Every year I'm gonna just clean it. It doesn't really get dirty because it's just a track bike and a dry weather only bike. I don't drive this in the rain or anything, but still you have to maintain it, so you don't want to, the oil on the filter might be already gone. So I'm gonna go check on that. And yeah, I guess I'll make a video about that, removing the tank and cleaning the air filter. I have the products for it, so that's a good topic for a video for another time. All right. How long is this light? Oh, so I also have my own towing system now for my the Range Rover, so I can tow my own bikes. I don't have to wait for my buddy to take me to the track. So I could I'm all independent now. I'm a big boy now, so I gotta just rent the U-Haul, and then I'm good to go. Damn, the gym is closed. So yeah, I just get to rent the U-Haul and I'm good to go. I have my towing set up ready to go on the Range Rover. It wasn't cheap because it's a Range Rover part. It is what it is, you know. You can get cheaper ones. You can get cheaper ones, but I like everything OEM, so that it's you know, basically it's an option for the car, and it just kind of increases the value. All right, guys. I'll cut it right here. I'm really rambling on different tangents, but thank you guys. If you guys are still watching, thank you guys for watching and staying, and hopefully you guys are well and never get sick. All right, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.